Hello, Kaz Young here from Property Zest Buyers Agency in Brisbane and the Sunshine Coast, and I'm here with a case study of a property that we purchased recently for clients in the Deception Bay area, which is Moreton Bay City Council. And this was a cracking site. I really like this buy. We were looking for clients who we'd purchased actually a couple of other properties for before. They were based in Sydney. They had a budget of $1 million. And what their main aim was for an investment property that had good development potential for long-term growth, but they wanted to sit on that property for probably 5 to 10 years before they looked to develop it themselves in the future. So we found this site. It was 1,064 square metres on a corner in an urban zoned area. So you've got potential there for not only subdivision with good street frontage of multiple properties there because you're on the corner, but also multiple dwellings. So you could look at townhouses, units, etc. in that area. So the existing house on there was a low-set brick and tile house. It was in pretty reasonable condition. It was pretty original in parts, but still very, very livable. It had good tenants already in place, and it was located about 1 kilometre from the local supermarket, under 1 K to the local high school. Had a nice park across the road, about 4 Ks to the train station from there, but really great. Big block of land, zoned well for future development, so they were really happy with that. We gave a pricing estimate and looking at it of around $870 to $900 in the market that we were looking in, and we ended up purchasing that property for $890. Had existing tenants, as I said, who were really keen to stay on, really looked after the property as if it was their own. So really nice, simple buy and hold with great potential for the future on this one. About $450 a week rent they were getting on that one. The clients were very grateful, obviously, for the assistance that we're able to offer them. And as I said, that was multiple purchases for these particular clients who we love working with. Now, if you're looking for a property like this or another type of property to suit your investment strategies, please give us a ring. We'd love to have a chat with you. Here's our details on the screen here. You can contact us at propertyzest.com.au. Thank you.